Hello, this is my Turfmaster. It's about 23, 24 years old. I resprayed it to blue and white. It used to be white and black, as you know. But I used to like 4 tractors. So I sprayed it blue and make a set of new stickers. So this is how it looked today. Fairly good condition. I would like to show you all around. It's from the front. "16 horsepower, opposed twin bricks with a traditional 4 gearbox. Seat is a little bit cracked, need replacement or so on. Replace the old Turfmaster tires with this type, and that's the driver's seat. It still has got the original petrol meter, but I put this on just to get the water out. I would like to start it to you. It's a cold start. Well, living in South Africa, so it's fairly hot. I would say in the region of 24, 23 degrees C, but it's a cold start, so for this region. So let's do it. It'll take a little bit, just a little bit of choke to start. It's out of gear. A little bit of fuel. Let's start it. More choke. And some other stuff I like to play with. A gentle lady and a sophisticated lady. And Solar Star radio control aircraft. And some more wings. And this is my rides. Thank you for watching.